and welcome. This is Rochelle from the DIY Affiliate on YouTube. And for the people who don't know me, I do step-by-step video tutorials that will show you the quickest, easiest, and most cost-efficient ways for your business online with YouTube video, WordPress websites, and affiliate marketing for beginners. In this video, I am going to show you step-by-step how you can process a YouTube video. So stick around, I give you just the facts. Let's jump into the video. On your cell phone, find your Chrome. In your Chrome, go to YouTube. Go into your YouTube account that you would like to use. YouTube account where your Creative Commons video was uploaded. These three dots and go desktop site. This will then give you what you would be looking at. Click on your avatar and go to your YouTube studio. Once in your YouTube studio, go to your content. Find the video that you would like to process and click on the pencil. You will see you put your title, your description, and you have your Creative Commons licenses for your music, and also you have your TASL, and that is very important. Here you can add your end screens. And since I have an end screen, what you call an outro, and you can add different end screens for different videos for your end screens, and then choose save. Your video cards, and here you can add a video, custom message, teaser text, something that will make the person want to click into the thumbnail. And you can choose where it shows up. Your timing, where is your video card on your video going to be the best for people to click into it? Just by moving it around. So you can add a video, a playlist, or a channel. If you choose to add a playlist, you can choose any playlist. Choosing a playlist is a good way to help to increase your watch time hours. Add a custom message. Think of keywords that will make people want to click into the thumbnail. Teaser text. This is the text that shows up in the circle with the eye when somebody is watching your video. The person sees this, they'll want to click into it. And add a channel. YouTube has made this very easy to use. Typing in the name of a channel, very easy to use. The different channels uploading choose the channel that you would like, and click on Save. Custom message and a clickable teaser text. Here you can see I am just using my cell phone and creating. When you see this mark here, this will tell you something is not right. And then when you're done, you will then click Save. You could add to your playlist simply by clicking into your playlist and choosing Done. You can create new playlists right from any video by choosing New Playlist. And also, I will leave a link in the description to show you how to create your playlists. You want to make sure that it's not made for kids if you want to have any type of comments or engagement. And here you can add your tags. The easiest way to add tags is to go into the YouTube search engine, type your keywords in, find a video that you would like to use your keywords from using your share button, find another app. It's called UTags Pro. If you don't have it already installed on your cell phone, go to the Google Play Store, and I will leave a link in the description. And then here you can see tags, you can see the thumbnail, and you can also see the video description. If you choose to use a Creative Commons, here you will see if the description has the Creative Commons in it. If it doesn't, it's not Creative Commons. Here is an example of a Creative Commons video. First of all, you will see the license. It'll say Creative Commons Attribution License, Reuse Allowed. And this one has also used music, which is under the Creative Commons Attribution 3.0. You can copy the tags and go back over to your Chrome and then paste your tags in. Once you have done that, you want to make sure that you save your work. When you are working on a cell phone, you have to be careful because it's very easy to click out of your work and what you are working on. For your subtitles, you will just go into your subtitles, scroll over till you see duplicate and edit. You could see with this one, there's not a lot of work that you can do, but you can edit any of your subtitles, assign timing, and then publish. You have your tags, you have your subtitles, and now you have your recording date. So why is it important to have a recording date? Well, people want to know that your video is up to date and not years old. And here you can choose, since you are using a Creative Commons, you can use a Creative Commons attribution, or you can use a standard YouTube. And you want to make sure that it is in the right category. Your comments, always make sure to save your changes. This is very important. The next step will be to go to your Play Store and look for the Canva app. Type in Canva and search. You will see this icon. Install, open it up, and here you can create your thumbnail just by clicking on the plus, or you can see YouTube thumbnail. You can choose your template, or you can start from scratch. You can use a blank template. When you click on the plus, you can see you can change your template, add any uploads, choose an upload, choose a photo, text, music, videos, different styles. You can choose images from your gallery, from any folders. And also, this is your elements. You have all different types of elements. Here you can see shapes, frames, stickers, charts, grids, and much, much more for you to choose from. So you would then create your thumbnail, and then when you are done, Okay, so here is just a very quick thumbnail that I created at Canva. And I'm just going to save that as an image. Go back over to the video that I'm working on. Upload the thumbnail. And save. Now, you have to make sure that you have all of your licenses for your Creative Commons, and you would get that information from the original video. And you can watch the you could watch the video that I created for finding your Creative Commons video and uploading it. Next step will be your visibility, and then save. Now you have your video processed. Go to the YouTube actual search engine, use the share button, and whatever places that you have here on your cell phone, you can share to. You can share to your Facebook news feed. You can also share to all of your Facebook pages. When you have the Facebook Business Suite, and I will leave that in the description. And this way you can share to all of your Facebook pages that you have created simply by clicking in and just saying a little bit of information about your video. Okay, so this is just an example. You can create a post with your YouTube. You can use your Twitter. You have on your cell phone, any places on your cell phone you can share to. And that completes this video of processing a Creative Commons video or processing any video. When you are processing a Creative Commons video, you do have to make sure you have all the information for the attribution. The attribution is very important when you have a Creative Commons video. When you just have your own video, it's a lot easier. Thank you for hanging out with me and watching this video. Thank you for being a subscriber. The next video that I am posting, if you want to do what I'm doing and learn how to use your cell phone to record your screen and create content for your YouTube channel, then don't forget to click the notification bell so you will be notified of the next video that I post. Stay safe and looking forward to hanging out with you in the next video.